Hello and welcome back to Story Quest. In the heart of India, in a small town, lived a young woman named Meera. With her radiant smile and belief in unity and kindness, she was an inspiration, always setting examples of good values. One morning, as she walked to the town square, she noticed a neglected garden. She gathered some children and said, "Let's turn this into a garden we can all be proud of." Together, they transformed the barren patch into a blooming symbol of community effort. Meera believed true patriotism was about contributing to the well-being of others. She organized food drives, bringing the town together to cook and distribute meals to the needy, showing that independence means ensuring no one is left behind. One day, she saw two neighbors arguing and calmly said, "Our strength lies in understanding and respecting each other's differences." Her words fostered mutual respect and harmony. Another time, Meera helped an elderly man with his groceries, demonstrating that helping others is a core value of independence. As Independence Day approached, Meera organized a town gathering. She spoke passionately. True independence is about our responsibilities to one another. It's about integrity, respect, and kindness. Her words resonated deeply. The townspeople realized patriotism wasn't just grand gestures, but small, daily actions that build a strong community. On August 15th, as the national flag was hoisted, the town stood together, embodying the true spirit of independence and patriotism. They understood freedom was about creating a society where everyone could thrive with dignity and respect. Jai Hind! They cheered with heart full of pride and unity, ready to build a better future together.